Hi, namaste. Namaste to everyone all over the world who are looking this video. Myself Somit, yoga instructor and social worker from Varanasi, India. And today we will speak about how failure is important in our life and how we come out from the failureness to get successness. So let's speaking about the one very interesting story. It's the story of two school friends, and they met after 20 years. So after 20 years when they met, they were very happy and they were feeling uncomfortable, as same like when we meet with someone after such a long time, we feel uncomfortable, but after expending some few minutes they were more comfortable and starting to conversation. They started to sharing their themselves and their journey. One of them who used to get a good grades in the school time, and now he is vice president in one big software company, but other one was a mid-level performance like me. So mid-level performance and in a school time, and had grown to become an entrepreneur. To become an entrepreneur, his company, it's doing extremely well, and he was known a successful full entrepreneur with his name in the in the country, like out of 30s to 30. And when his friend asked him about his journey of starting to growing his company, how he has started, so he was sharing. He started careers in BPO like calling centers, and he worked in BPO for a few years, but he was feeling uncomfortable, so that's reason he has changed the company. Then after he has started to do something by own, to not to work with someone. So during to working in BPO, he has saved some money for doing some business in near future. So he has left his job and trying to do something by own, and took some franchisee of some company, but he had to let go of it. After few years, had saved some more money and invest in new business idea with his friend or partner, but partnership was not long lasting. The reason is that it's a universal truth that partnership, if it's not a good mutual understanding, then it will be a no longer. And he and his partner were not good understanding to each other, so this reason this partnership it was no longer. So he decided to continue to take his business further. There were many challenges that came on his way, from financial to operational to personal, and many faced. He has faced every fears, fought every challenges, but never gave up. His friend asked him, what gave you all the strength to fighting all this performance you have done by yourself? So he has given a very good reply. He explained, while we are in the school, we are afraid to fail. That becomes our strength to believe when we start exploring things on our in our business world, we realize that failure is unavoidable in school. But when we fail in our workplace or in a business, we don't get to go to the next classroom in the school. Whereas a entrepreneur in my profession, failure does not stop you from moving ahead, because this friend, he was an entrepreneur, and in an entrepreneur, if you are failure, it's not decreasing your knowledge or decreasing your talent or not keeping you behind. It gives you experience, so it gives you a strong belief to do better. Which each setback, I realize that failure is not the opposite of success, but it's a part of success. This gave me strength to move ahead each time. Had I stopped at any of my failures, I would not have come this far. If failure would have been the end of their story, there would have been no greats in the world. Failure is not the end of our story, it's the story of our comeback. So failure, when we get a failure in our life, it's not stop our life. Even when we were studying in our schools, if we get very bad marks, sometimes many students, they getting fail in their class, they are not going a next class. But in a practical life, when you failure, it gives you to learn to do you better for the next time. So my dear friend, whenever you get failure in life, don't bring yourself down or bottom of your heart. A very good example, it's running now in my mind, and I want to share with you. When a small child, when like 2 years or 2.5 or 3 years, when starting to walking, so many times he used to fallen down by normal walking. So it's the failure of that little child, because he cannot walk, but he never bring down his energy or level, because he knows that he has fallen down now, but he will start to walk again. So he continued, tried it, and very soon he completely walk by himself. So same, my dear friend, our life is also similar of this. If we get success, if we want to get success, we cannot achieve in a first attempt. But it's true, some of people they get in a first attempt, but most of them it's not possible, and they get first of failure. But when we failure, we know that what is our minus point in our practice or in our knowledge or in our way to get a success. So in a next examination or next when we will perform to ourselves, we can do more better and we can get success. So my dear friend, very briefly I want to tell you that failure is the part of success. Without failure, we cannot achieve success in our life. So if you are failure in your life, don't think that you have lost or you are now in back or behind. Failure give experience, or failure is a first stairs of success. So thank you, my friend, for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like it, share it, and subscribe it. And if you have any question, then please share me also. You can write me comment, and I am giving you also my website, my all social media network on the bottom or on the top of this video. So please look it, and if you have any chance to visit in Varanasi, then most welcome in our organization. Thank you, and have a great time. Be safe in this COVID time. Thank you to all of you.